Bonjour. Today we are going to start reading French. Not long complicated words yet, just simple syllables like here ba, bi, bo, and bu. Once you can read these little blocks, French words will start to feel much less scary. When we learn to read French, we don't want to spell every single letter forever. We want to recognize small sound blocks. These sound blocks are called syllables. Here you have ba, bi, bo, and bu. And here you have some French words who are built with syllables, two syllables. For example, pa and pa gives papa. Mi and di makes midi. A and mi makes ami. So instead of reading letter by letter, we learn to blend sounds together. The basic idea is very simple. When you see a consonant followed by a vowel, you blend them together. You don't say ba, but you say ba. You don't say mei, you say mi. You don't say po, you say po. You don't say lu, you say lu. This is the first step to reading French words smoothly. Today we will practice with 4 vowel sounds, a, I, O, and U. You will recognize them because we study them in a former video. But today the goal is simple, blend the sounds together. Not perfect pronunciation yet, just blending. Let's start blending with B plus the vowels. You can repeat after me. Ba, bi, ba, bi, bo, bu. You can try to pause the video and say it yourself. Ba, bi, bo, bu. Now let's mix them. You don't read letter by letter. If you want, you can pause the video now and try to read yourself. Look at the whole syllable and you blend it. You can pause if you want now. If not, I'm just going to read the lines and you can repeat after me. So, first line, ba, bi, bo, bu. Second line, you can repeat after me. Bi, ba, bu, bo. Third line, bo, bu, ba, bi. And if you want, you can do it a bit faster. Ba, bi, bo, bu. Bi, ba, bu, bo. Bo, bu, ba, bi. Now
Great.
let's try with M. So you can repeat after me. Ma, mi, mo, mu. You can go back and repeat a bit faster if you want. Ma, mi, mo, mu. Now let's compare B and M. So you repeat after me. I go line by line. First line, ba, ma. Bi, mi. Bo, mo. Bu, mu. That's very good. This is how reading starts. Small blocks, repeated often. Now with P. You repeat after me. Pa, pi, po, pu. Again and faster. Pa, pi, po, pu. Now T. Repeat after me. Ta, ti, to, tu. Now you repeat faster. Ta, ti, to, tu. And you can always go back and try to repeat faster if you want. Ta, ti, to, tu. Now L. Repeat after me. La, li, lo, lu. Again. La, li, lo, lu. If you want, you can do it faster. La, li, lo, lu. Very good. Now let's practice by reading the grid. First, we read row by row. Repeat after me. Ba, bi, bo, bu. Ma, mi, mo, mu. Pa, pi, po, pu. Ta, ti, to, tu. La, li, lo, lu. Great. Now let's read down the columns. You repeat after me. Ba, ma, pa, ta, la. Bi, mi, pi, ti, li. Bo, mo, po, to, lo. Bu, mu, pu, tu, lu. Excellent! Now you are already reading French syllables. Now let's mix everything. Remember, you don't read letter by letter, you look at the syllable and you blend it. First I read, then you repeat. Pa, mi, po, lu. Repeat. Second line. I read and then you repeat. Ma, ti, bo, pu. Your turn. Third line. La, bi, mo, tu. Your turn. Last line. Pa, li, bu, to. Your turn. Very good. So now you can pause or you can try to do it faster. Now the exciting part, because with these small syllables you can already read some real French words. Let's try. First word is papa. So you break it into two syllables, pa and pa, you blend it, papa. Next word, midi. It means midday or noon. You break it down, two syllables, mi and di. You blend them, you blend the syllables, midi. Your turn. Next word, ami, which means friend. You break it down, two syllables, mi, and you blend it, ami. Your turn. Ami. Next one, Lulu. This can be a name, it's mostly a nickname. You break it down, Lu, Lu. You blend it, Lulu. Your turn. Lulu. Next word, very important, tu. It means you when you are speaking to one person. Tu. There's only one syllable. You can repeat it, tu. Next word, salut. It means hi or bye in informal French. We break it down in two syllables, salut, and then we blend it, salut. You can repeat after me, salut, salut. You can, one small note, in salut, you have a final T, which is silent. You don't worry about that. We will study silent final letters in another video. But for now, you just remember, salut. So a little practice now. It's your turn. You can pause the video and you can try to read these words before me. So you pause it. And now we check. Papa, midi, ami, Lulu, tu, salut. If you could even read some of these, this is already a very good start. Now let's try a few more real French words. Some of them are very similar to English, and that is good news because it means you can already recognize and read more French than you think. Do not worry if everything is not perfect. Just look for the syllables you already know. You have a list of words we're going to read now. You can pause the video and try to read them by yourself. We are going to read them together. The first word, solo. We break it down. Solo. And we blend it. Solo. Next word is domino. We break it down. Do, mi, no. And then you blend. Domino. Your turn. Domino. Next word, dino. This is a short way to say dinosaur, especially in children's language. Let's break it down. Di, no. And now blend. Dino. Your turn. Di, no. Dino. Next word is lavabo. It means a sink or a wash basin. Let's break it down. La, va, bo. Lavabo. Your turn. La, va, bo. Lavabo. Next word, menu. This word looks familiar, but the French pronunciation is a bit different. You break it down. Me, nu. Menu. Your turn. Me, nu. Menu. Very good. Next word is pyjama, which means pyjamas. We break it down. Pi, ja, ma. And then blend. Pyjama. Your turn. Pi, ja, ma. Pyjama. A small note is that the letter Y and J will have their own videos later. For today, you just repeat and practice blending, okay? That's very good. Last one, piano. We break it down. Pi, a, no. Piano. Your turn. Pi, a, no. Piano. Excellent. Before we finish, one small warning. Most consonants are quite stable, but some letters change sound depending on the vowel after them. The two big ones are C and G. Look at C here. We're going, if it's followed by A, O, and U, it's the sound K. So I say K, Ko, Q. But if it's followed by E and I, I'm going to say it's going to have a S sound, ceci. So K, Ko, Q, ceci. The same with J, but it's the same rule too. A, O, U. So we have ga, go, gu, but we have je, j. Don't worry about the full rule today. We will have a complete video about C and J later. So for now, just remember that sometimes the vowel after the consonant can change the sound. So today you learned how to blend simple French syllables. You practiced ba, bi, bo, bu, and then you practice ma, mi, mo, mu, and then you practice pa, pi, po, pu, ta, ti, to, tu, la, li, lo, lu. You practice a lot. You also use this sound to read real French words like papa or midi. So this is already a real big step toward reading French. And that is your first French reading workout done. It looks small, ba, mi, mo, pu, but this is how French reading starts. Little by little, these syllables will become words, those words become sentence. Congratulations, you did very good work, and I see you soon. À bientôt!